We appreciate their services, especially where they are always found. Places like discotheques, clubs, maybe other restaurants and other social gathering places.
The National Resistance Movement Party has confirmed that its primary election for members of parliament and LC5 chairpersons will be held on Thursday 17th. Lira Resident City Commissioner Lawrence Egole cautioned politicians against using bouncers in election. The National Resistance Movement Party has confirmed that its primary election for members of parliament and LC5 chairpersons will be held on Thursday 17th. Driwaru Zaitun, National Resistance Movement Electoral Commissioner in charge now Anasholi, said all is set for this election. She added that special consideration will be made for the hard-to-reach areas, while heavy deployment will be made in places considered to be hotspots of electoral violence.
We have to reach areas. We have difficult areas like there are those areas where their elections may not be conducted easily, like areas with a lot of violence. Those ones we have special considerations for them. One, their deployment is not going to be the same like others. Two, we have had to reach areas. And those ones we also have considerations for them.
The resident city commissioner of Lira, Lawrence Egole, has cautioned politicians against using bouncers during the NRM party primaries. RCC Egole emphasized that bouncers will not be allowed to provide security during elections, noting that their role should be maintained in clubs.
We appreciate their services, especially where they are always found in places like discotheques, clubs, maybe other restaurants and other social gathering places. But for the bouncers to abandon those jobs, all those duties that they may be designated for, and then start running around with politicians, thinking they are going to man elections, they turn from being bouncers into political militia, which is totally unacceptable.
The North Kyoga Regional Police spokesperson, Patrick Jimmy Okema, has warned against the violation of the electoral rules and the laws of the country during this process.
Do not engage in hate speech or religious and divisive languages. Do not intimidate or suppress voters, including hiring of goons or bouncers. Do not engage in bribery or corrupt tendencies. As police, we want to give our assurance and our preparedness that we shall provide and ensure conducive environment for peaceful elections. We shall be working closely with sister security agencies such as UPDF, UPS, and intelligence organizations. Be calm, patient, wait peacefully for the official declarations of the results, and celebrate accordingly.
Joseph Jones Ogwal, one of the 6 aspirants vying for the NRM ticket for Dokolo North Member of Parliament, has accused Raphael Okello, the district party publicity secretary, of defamation. Ogwal alleges that Okello has been spreading false claims about him on social media and local radio stations, including accusations that he was involved in a fight against the Joint Campaign Program leader. However, Raphael Okello has denied the accusations, stating that his involvement in campaign activities is purely to offer guidance to aspirants. Geoffrey Opio Ekong, the NRM district chairperson, confirmed receipt of Ogwal's complaints and noted that similar grievances have been filed by other aspirants against Okello. The joint NRM party primary campaigns in Kwanya district ended in chaos, leaving more than 10 people injured. Violence broke out between supporters of Kwanya County MP Tony Ayo and his rival Tony Eron during a campaign rally held at Apori Primary School in Asheng Luoro Parish at Tangtedi Sub-County. Thank you very much. That's all we had for you. I'm Denish Ongora.
Thank you for watching Lango News channel. Please subscribe for more updates.